That's not my man. That's not. We're doing
No.
so many. Hang on, it's not focused. Okay. Oh, hang on. Okay. Okay, hang on. Hold this. I'm gonna. Hang on. Okay, this is my hair. Hang on. How did I do it last time? Okay. How is this how I do it? I don't know. Dang it, it's not how you do it. Dang it.
That's how you did it.
No, it's not. Whoa.
She broke my nose.
I did not break your nose. No.
She hit it with...
She punched me, and then I turned around.
Yeah, you're an
I look like such a witch.
No, okay, so I turned around and she's like... She's
okay,
like, boom.
reenactment.
And she hit me.
Reenactment. Okay,
No,
ready?
because it's gonna
Okay,
hurt.
it's like this. I'm not gonna hurt you this time.
No, you too.
know,
I was like this. I was like this.
My job is to hurt Rachel.
And
I have
turned
no
around.
intention to hurt you.
I turned around and I turned back to it and I come on.
Yeah, okay, this is what happened. Ready? Boom!
Whatever.
Scary!
She's such a liar.
She is such a liar.
She's such a liar.
Oh, she pinches.
Yeah, I did.
You pinch her. Oh, pinch her. That's her solution.
My bad.
It's not a good way. Oh, okay. I think there's a bite. Where's the bite mark? You bit me earlier. Yeah, you did. You bit me. So where is it?
Where did I bite you? Prove it. Prove it, Raquel.
I swear to God, she bit me.
Prove it. Prove it.
Stop it. No, she really did bite me.
No, I didn't.
See, she's doing it.
Doing what?
Pinching. See, now she's pinching my fingers.
I'm not.
She is.
Ah, she's pinching me.
No, she's pincher. She's a pincher. Oh, she. Oh, you're such a liar. You're such a good liar. There's my stairs up to my bed, and now.
No, I'm just kidding. If this goes
Here's an
on
aerial
YouTube-
view of my room.
If this goes on YouTube, I will kill the shit out of you.
Oh my God. I don't know what she's doing over there. Okay, I'm going down. Where's the stairs? I'm like gonna fall off.
Do we have that on video when we were falling?
I think so. See, you've hurt me more than once.
You're the one who fell.
Don't let go. I can't turn.
Okay, let's make our...
This queen bed is way too
Let's make
small.
the other video.
Stop. Okay, can you stop it?
Ow! Ew, push lights.
We should get more nerds. But don't tell my mom.
I don't want nerds.
Oh yeah, because she thinks they're sour.
No, because I think I'm... No.
I make what?
I think I'm something else. Don't shine the camera on it right now.
Do what?
Shine the camera somewhere else real quick. Because I think I'm...
For what? What are you talking about?
Turn that camera back around. I don't want any nerds because I think I'm...